Good morning. Today is Thursday, May 15th, and let's take one final look at the trade that we had at United Technologies, UTX. UTX, if you recall, went long this market right in here at 116.82. Took a portion of the profit off at 118.5 right in here. That was good for $1.68 on a portion of the position. Then what we did was we trailed that stop up and had our sell stop at 117.95, which was right there trying to catch a bigger move. If it had continued to move, we would have been there, right? So got stopped out at 117.95 yesterday, making $1.13 on the remaining portion of the position, $1.13. So that trade netted out $2.81. Not bad. If you did the option, you would have done even better in terms of a percentage return. But basically, my general rules for doing the options, if I'm putting on a trade before the 15th of the month, then I will go to the next month. Okay? If I put on a trade at the 15th or after, then I will go 2 months out when buying an option, and in this case it would have been a call. So really simple rules for that. So that was the UTX trade. We put that to bed, and let's take a look at another trade that may be setting up. Remember, a setup is completely different than an actual trade. Okay, so we need to see the trigger on this. Okay, so this is Biogen, BIIB. Okay, now the trend was up, as you can see here. Kind of created a top here, failed off that and came down big time. Bars turned from green to red right here, so the trend was down. But look at this. Market held beautifully at the 200 exponential moving average, this purple line right here. Okay? Bounced back up, got an inside, followed by a bearish outside pattern here. Now, instead of me saying I'm looking to go short, I'll be honest, I'm looking to go long, okay? And I think this could be a phenomenal trade if the market can penetrate up through yesterday's bearish engulfing pattern, either today or tomorrow, Friday the 16th, okay? So again, watch the video again if you need let me just repeat that. Again, if today is able to penetrate up through yesterday's high, or if tomorrow penetrates up through the high. So we're looking at a 301.41. The market needs to penetrate up through 301.21 to 301.41 either today or tomorrow. If that happens, I think that'll be a phenomenal trade to the upside. I think the next level you could see easy would be 311.10, and if we start breaking up through that high, we're going to go higher. Now this is a daily chart, right? The daily chart looks like it's kind of turned down. But take a look at the weekly. Okay, the weekly chart gives you an entirely different picture. Okay, we are back in between the blue action zone, and look at every time that we pull back into these levels, we got a nice bounce. Okay, made a new high here, bounced. Okay, so now we're in this level, and I think we could go a lot higher. But our magic number, again, our magic number is 301.41. That's our trigger to get long. If the market is not able to penetrate up through that level, then there is no trade. And it needs to happen either today or tomorrow. So I hope that helps. Let's make some money. Have a great day, and be on the lookout for the premium video. If you've signed up for those, great. We've got some phenomenal trades on. I think there are a couple, well, there's some great trades that are happening right now. So that's what I'm talking about next in my premium video. Hope to see you on the other side. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.